Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Bitcoin, because right now, of course, first of all, Bitcoin fell down very quickly, and right now it looks to be that Bitcoin is creating a very huge opportunity. First of all, Bitcoin is coming down towards a level that I do think Bitcoin could start to be bouncing from off. Second of all, Bitcoin is right now coming down and creating a bullish divergence. So this and much more is going to be getting discussed on today's video. So if you want to be finding out exactly about all the details, don't forget to right away slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notification so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content. But with that being said, guys, let's jump into content right now here. So like you can see, Bitcoin came down heavily since it did touch the 43.5k where we got rejected from. Since at that point we came down in approximately, let me see this correctly, 13.5% here. And right now, since Bitcoin found the bottom yesterday a little bit, we're creating a second leg. And usually once you're creating these second kind of legs there, you could be creating bullish divergence. So what you can see right now here, and of course depending on where the 1 hour candle is going to close here, Bitcoin is forming a lower low in the market, higher low in the RSI, and this is of course a significant bullish divergence. I've said it already several times before. I do expect a market to be creating a further increasement in price valuation as soon as we're going to see a bullish divergence getting started to be making here on the lows on the market. And right now, since we're creating a bullish divergence on the market, I can be expecting Bitcoin is going to be creating a further significant push up towards higher targets. Is it has to be happening on this hourly candle? No, because if the hourly candle comes up a little bit further, we could be invalidating the bullish divergence, and that could be leading towards some more bearish price action. Exactly. So we still have to be waiting a little bit for this opportunity. To be very honest, why do I think Bitcoin is a good buy right now? Funding rates extremely negative. We can see literally we have never seen this before. Funding rates are so negative, what means that the whole cryptocurrency market is currently being over leveraged towards the downside, and that our shorters have to be paying the longers. And if you're in a long position, you're going to get paid extra because there are not so many long positions open. What does this mean? This is extremely bullish. Why? Is because once the majority of the market is thinking the market is going to go down here, it usually goes up here. If the majority of the people thinks the market is going to go up, it usually comes down. So this is for me an indication that we could be, of course, extremely bullish. And of course, on Bitcoin, we've got funding rates between the 0.0 to 4% here. So that's absolutely crazy what we can currently see here, and I'm currently benefiting definitely from it by, of course, opening and accumulating extra positions here on the market. Yes, that is looking good. But why do I think Bitcoin is most likely going to be bouncing from off this level, and why do I always have sending you guys as well on Twitter? Like you can see, I've said it several times before, we probably still need the long leverage flush out. Have said it several times before as well in my video, and I was always aiming for the 38,000 US dollars. Why? Is because, like you can see on this chart here, previous resistance, support, and right now we're retesting it as well. So is this a level that Bitcoin potentially could be bouncing from? Yes, it most definitely is a level where Bitcoin could be starting to be bouncing from. So I will keep my eyes wide open on this range here. Daily time frame, Bitcoin, of course, going again oversold. We do know oversold territorium is usually a period that people are afraid, people are panicking in the market, but it does always show you an average good buy price, not a good price exactly for exactly the bottom is here, but for an average price, it is definitely going to give you an indication that it is a good average buy price. So it's also a thing that I'm currently looking forward towards. What we can see is right now as well is that the 3-day level is right now getting retested. This one will be getting close in 11 hours. Close below it will be extremely bearish. If we're not getting to close below it, I will be, of course, looking for different targets. But so far, I still expect to going to see a bounce from here on, and that we could be creating a wick. And of course, I call this a scam wick because we flushed out the leverage from the long positions, and right now potentially we could be seeing this further increasement in valuation. So please look forward towards that. Look forward towards this bullish divergence. If it's going to be playing out, we could be seeing a significant rise back towards the upside. And of course, I will keep you guys up to date exactly here on my Twitter page. If you want to be finding more about it, don't forget to follow us here on Twitter at Rover. We're going to give you guys all insights here on the market. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.